Alright, this is how you tell if you have scouts on your swarm trap or if the swarm has actually moved in. That's a big tree. Alright, so when you have scouts, they're going to fly to the hole, sit there, fly around the box in circles, fly behind the tree, and kind of lollygag around. Now here you can see there's lots of bees coming right to the hole and going right in. Alright, you can tell they're clearly on a mission. They have a purpose. They're hitting that hole and they're going right in. If it was earlier in the day, there'd be ones coming in and other ones leaving more. It's about 5:30 p.m. right now. And most of them are coming back. Alright. And then if you see them bringing pollen in, then you know you definitely have a swarm. So they might have just moved in yesterday or today or the past couple of days. I don't see any pollen yet. But that's how you tell. They come to the hole, they go right in. That's the sun over there, so it's not exactly facing into the sun, but it's generally facing southwest. Last year I had a trap on this tree. I had plenty of scouts, and then no scouts, and then more scouts, but never a swarm. So if you see scouts and you don't get a swarm that year, keep trying. Try again. Some years are just not big swarm years. It kind of goes in cycles. And the bottom of that box is, that's the top of my hand. So it's probably like 6'5" to the bottom of that box. All right.